In this video, I'm going to explain why YouTube TV isn't always available in 1080p and what factors might affect the resolution. While YouTube TV does support streaming in 1080p Full HD for most of its content, there are a few reasons why you might not always experience this resolution. First, your internet speed plays a significant role. If your connection is slow or unstable, YouTube TV will automatically lower the resolution to ensure smooth playback, often downgrading to 720p or even 480p. Additionally, some live events or older shows may not be broadcast in 1080p due to limitations with the source material provided by the content creators. Another factor could be the device you're using. Older TVs, smartphones, or streaming devices might not fully support 1080p playback. It's also worth noting that YouTube TV does not currently offer 4K resolution, which has led some users to believe the platform limits video quality. But this is more about licensing and content availability than intentional restriction. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand why YouTube TV isn't always 1080p, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.